Wix editor tutorial for beginners creating website on Wix. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this great website builder called wix.com. So here we are on the start page. In order to get started, we need to click on get started right up here. So we can create an account using our email, using Gmail, Facebook, or Apple. In my case, I'm going to continue with Gmail, as for me this is the easiest variant. So from this page here, we'll come to our my sites page where we can manage all the websites. As you can see, I don't have one yet. So let's click on create new site in the right top corner to start creating. And here on this page, we need to describe our website. So what kind of website are you creating? We can choose online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, or we can simply skip this tab in the right bottom corner. So I'm going to click on skip because we can choose the category a little bit later. What would you like to call your website? Here we can add any name we want. So let it be site 1, for example. And I'm going to click on next. And the last question, what do you want to add to your website? Basically, we can add every single page a little bit later. So I'm going to click on skip in the right bottom corner once more. And here we are, everything is done. Now we can go to dashboard, but I suggest you to click on begin with a template, this small text here. So basically, we'll come to a template page where we can find a lot of different templates we can use. So yeah, Wix provides us the opportunity to customize the templates. We can also create like blank templates and create them from scratch. Even if you're interested, you can do this. Go to blank templates and then just choose something right up here. But in my case, I want to create something from template. So I'm going to go to business, and I think I'm going to use like health group, health category. So as you can see, there are a lot of different templates related with health. We can switch to blog, for example, go to personal blog, find some templates from here. So I suggest you to find out how many categories right up here. You can find the necessary as for you. I'm 100% sure. So let's try to create maybe business and services, and yeah, health. So from this page here, all we need to do is just to find something which is suitable as for us. For example, this website here, maybe it's like portfolio or personal website. So I'm going to click on view, and from this page we can easily view how does our website looks like. We can switch between different devices in the very top, and as you can see, every single template on Wix is responsive, so it's pretty cool. It's available on all the devices at the same time, on mobile, on desktop, and as for me, this feature is pretty good. So let's click on edit this site to add this template to our site, and in a few seconds everything will be done. It may take a little time, so all we need to do is just to wait for a little, maybe 10 seconds. So yeah, everything is done, and now we are on our editor. So let's have a quick tour. In the left side there is like main menu. From this page we can add elements, add section, pages, menu, manage site design, add apps, find my business area, media, folder, and content manager. So all you need to know is that every single website on Wix is built from pages, and the page is right up here, is created from different sections. So the header here, this section, this section, this section, and we can edit every single section. So we can move it down, we can move it up, we can change these photos, change this text. So basically it's pretty cool. We can also click on more, we can delete, duplicate, cut, copy, and do some other options with these step here. So if we want to add section, we can just simply click on plus and then just find something right up here. We have like welcome templates, about, team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, nominals, and so on. So let's try to add welcome page. I'm going to use this template here, and as you can see, our page was successfully added. Now we can simply click on this page here, and I'm going to change the background. So we can click once more and then just click on change section background. We can go to images, and from this page here just find something which is suitable as for us. So if we're going to create blog about psychology, we can find something maybe relaxing or something like this. So let it be maybe maybe this photo here. Let it be like this. So I'm just going to choose, and as you can see, in a few seconds our background was successfully changed. And in this case we can change every single object, this text here, this description, this button. So all we need to do is just to click on edit text, for example, and then we can change a lot of properties, make it bold, italic, underlined, change the alignment, and so on. If we are dealing with button, we can just simply click on change text and icon. We can change the text, we can change what does it link to. So all the properties are available here, or maybe here, here, here. For example, if you're going to add image, we can add different elements. Yeah, every section is like contained from different elements here, from text, photo. So we are able to add elements. We can click on plus, click on image, and then just choose something from here. So we can easily add this image here. So as you can see, in a few seconds it will be successfully added. We can try to do it once more. So yeah, as you can see, it's right up here. And the same here, it was bugged, so let's delete. I'm just going to choose and then delete. So we can place it to any single part. For example, maybe here we can click on change image, so we can easily change something here. We can cut, we can like filter, we can add animation, we can make it as a link. So basically all the objects here has their properties, and we can easily customize every single element. So when everything is done, when all of our website is like customized, when we changed every single object, we are ready to save and then just publish it. So I'm going to click on save and continue in the right top corner right up here, and I'm going to click on publish in the right top corner once more. So now our website is available on the internet. So as you can see, it looks like this. Of course nothing is like changed, but this is a way of how can we publish. So I showed you the ways. As you can see, the picture was successfully edited, this section was successfully edited, the background was successfully changed. So now we can send this link to anyone we know, and this guy is available. He has the ability to visit this website. So if you click on Wix in the left top corner, we'll come to our dashboard. From this page here, we can also manage a lot of different stuff. I won't like tell about all the features. You can find them in my other tutorials. So as you can see, we have like home, activity, site and app, subscriptions, contacts, communications, automations. We can manage marketing and SEO from this page here, and we can also deal with analytics and reports. So as you can see, there are a lot of options we can view, we can like, you know, try to understand. So basically they also have like their paid plan if you want to have a custom domain maybe, or want to use some other features. We have like 3 plans and also the connect domain option, and the prices are right up here, so you can discover them by yourself and then to decide. So this all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.